Hey there, money savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your financial life easier. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send money from Mexico to the USA for free in 2025. If you're living in Mexico and need to support family in the US or handle cross-border transactions, you're in the right place. With the rise of digital banking, it's now possible to avoid those pesky fees that can eat into your hard-earned cash. First off, let's talk about why 2025 is a game changer. New regulations and updated services from banks and apps mean you can transfer money without paying a dime, as long as you follow a few simple steps. The key players here are apps like Wise, Revolut, and even some major Mexican banks that have partnered with US institutions to waive fees for certain transfers. Step 1. Choose the right platform. Start by downloading an app like Wise, which offers zero-fee transfers for first-time users or under specific promotions in 2025. Make sure to check for eligibility. Often, this is available for amounts under $1,000. Next, set up your account. You'll need to verify your identity with a valid ID and link your Mexican bank account. This usually takes just a few minutes. Step 2. Link your US recipient's details. Enter their bank information accurately to ensure the money lands in the right place. Wise and similar services use the latest exchange rates without hidden markups, so you'll get a fair deal. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Select the amount, confirm the zero-fee option, and hit send. Transfers typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days, but always double-check for any holiday delays. Now, a quick word of caution. While these methods are free, they might have limits based on your account status or the current economic climate. Always monitor exchange rates, as they can fluctuate and affect the final amount received. There you have it. Sending money across borders without spending extra. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.